Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an image overlay in Webflow. Now step 1 is just open the Webflow either in the application or in the browser, and once you open it just go to the page and click on add layout. Now from the layout you can just choose a random section. That is your choice if you want to add a random section, if you already have a section. Now once the section is added, just make sure to select the whole section, and from the left side just click on the plus button and choose like on block. Inside the basics, so just choose the on block or div, and once you choose the block just click on the block, and from the right side scroll down, and from the position as you can see it is set to static, so just change it to the absolute. And once you change it to the absolute it will be turned like that way. So once it is changed just select it, scroll down, and as you can see like there are multiple options like wherever you want to position it, so just change it to full. As you can see like you will be able to see the full option, just click on it full and it will be added to the full screen. Now before you add it to the full screen, make sure to select the bottom section and change it to the position of the other box to the relative, and then select it and change it to the full. And once it is added to the full screen just scroll down, and once you scroll down inside the, as you can see, backgrounds, now right now the background is transparent, just click on the background and change the color to the darker. That is your choice. Now let's say this color, or let's say I want to change it to much darker. And once it is turned dark, now scroll down and you will see inside the effects just reduce the opacity. Now once I reduce the opacity, as you can see like an image overlay has been created. You can set the opacity by your choice, and after that you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.